Okay, now the formula for the area of a trapezium is area equals h over 2 a plus b, and the a and the b are the two parallel sides, and the height is the perpendicular height that runs between the two parallel sides. Okay, so I'm just going to look at actually finding the area. 6 meters, 12 meters, 4 meters. So the area is h over 2 a plus b. So your a is here, your b is here, your h is here. So it's going to be 4 over 2 times 6 plus 12. 4 over 2 is 2, 6 plus 12 is 18, and 2 18s would equal 36 meters squared. Okay. Now that's just using the formula directly. So I'm just going to look at what if we didn't give you what the height was. So that was the height, and this was 12 meters, and this is 20 meters, and the area is equal to 64 meters squared. Find height h. Now I'm just going to put a 6 meters there, and a 5 meters there. Just note that to find the perimeter, you just add all these up. That's the perimeter. 32, 32, 38, 38 is 43. Okay. All right. So area is h on 2 a plus b. So the area is 64. The h is h on 2. The a, now the a and the b is your 12 and your 20. So that's going to be 12 plus 20. And just noting also that your h is your perpendicular height, not the 6 that's there. Okay, so I substitute. I always like to sub, then you swap the sides. Okay, so swap it, because what you want to find is on the right hand side, and sometimes it's a lot easier if you swap the sides, and that's 64. Simplify where you can, so like that's h over 2 times 12 plus 20 is 32, and that equals 64. Then when you simplify that, a half of 32 is 16. See, that's 32h on 2. 2 goes into h 16 times, that's 64. So 16h equals 64. Divide by 16, divide by 16. So h will actually equal 4 meters in order to get that area. Okay, now we're going to do a very similar question where we need to work back, but this time I'm going to leave out the A. So I'm not going to give you the A. So say that's 40 meters, and this is 8 meters, and I'll just give you a dodgy, so that's 9 meters. They're parallel. So find A if the area is equal to 32 meters squared. Okay, so step 1, let's write the formula, h on 2 a plus b, and then what we've got to do is just sub stuff in. So 32 goes in for the area, 40 goes in for the b, and a goes in for the a, and then the other thing that we have here is the h. So the h is the perpendicular height, not the 9. Okay, so when I've got this here, then we're going to sub it in. So we go 32 is h, which is the 8, a, we don't know, and b is the 40. Whoops, I think maybe, oh no, we might be all right. Swap the sides. So we get 8 over 2 times a plus 40 equals, actually, instead of making that 132, can we make it 132? Okay, just so I'm sure that it is actually big enough. Equals 132. 8 over 2 is 4. A plus 40 is that one. Yeah, good. And expand the brackets. You could divide by the 4 at that stage, but I know some of us are probably more comfortable just to expand the brackets. 4 times 40 is 160, so that's 132. minus the 160. So 4a equals, they go out. Whoop. That's not even going to be big enough.